Hello. Real estate is one of the most profitable industries. If you ever thought about starting a real estate business or growing your current one, you are in the right place. Let's understand the 7 key things in next 10 minutes. Let's start with the why real estate is a super profitable industry. Point number 1, it is a tangible asset. Real estate is something you can see, own and manage. You can increase its value and get rental returns at the same time. Point number 2, value appreciation. Over a time, real estate generally increase in value, allowing you to build a wealth passively. Point number 3, constant demand. People will always need homes, workplaces and land. Since land is limited, the demand of real estate remains steady even a tough time. Point number 4, high profit potential. With the right strategies and timing, real estate offers excellent returns. Now, let's talk about some common problems people will face to start real estate business. First problem is lack of guidance. Many new real estate agents don't have experienced mentors to guide them and offer a support. Point number 2, difficulty in getting leads. Finding good quality lead, especially online, continues to be a big problem. Point number 3, uncertainty at the start. New agents often find it hard to pick the right project and figure out where to start in real estate. Point number 4, legal and paperwork issues. Dealing with complicated paperwork, license and legal rules can be confusing and time consuming. Point number 5, limited marketing funds. Not having enough money for marketing can affect visibility and slow down business growth. Point number 6, tech skills gap. Many agents don't have the knowledge to use new technology to manage their business or market themselves. Point number 7, difficulty in standing out. With so many people in the market, it can be tough to make your brand stand out and get noticed. Point number 8, challenges in networking. Building and maintaining a relationship with the client, partners and other professionals can be hard. Point number 9, team building issue. Hiring, training and keeping a good team of people can feel very overwhelming. Weak sales skills. Not having the right skills to connect with the client, handle objections and close sales can stop you from succeeding. And finally, point number 11, poor financial management. Not properly managing money, budgeting or tracking investment can lead to the financial problem and risks. Now, with the right training and learning, you can easily overcome these challenges. That's why I created my complete real estate learning ecosystem to help you to solve these problems and succeed in real estate. Hi, my name is Kumar Amit. I have built my career from scratch, learning through real-world experience at every stage of the process. I have closed over 1,700 deals in just 4 years and developed proven strategies for success. From small deals and executive role in a top real estate firm, I have built a strong network and deep industry knowledge. I have created a system that are easy to follow, helping others replicate my success with efficiency and scalability. My mission is to help anyone, whether new or experienced, achieve their financial goal in real estate by providing a clear, proven path. I make real estate simple by breaking down each step for better understanding and confidence. Finally, let's talk about 6 mistakes that stop people from growing in real estate. Mistake number 1, relying on referrals. Mistake number 2, not tracking business expenses. Mistake number 3, not using technologies. Mistake number 4, avoiding learning or mentorship. Mistake number 5, not building ad or lead partners. Now, if you are ambitious, want extra income, want to start your own business or want to build the most profitable real estate business part-time, full-time or online, I am hosting a webinar just for you. In my upcoming webinar, I will reveal 3 powerful secrets that top real estate broker use to reach the top 1%. This blueprint will guide you step by step, showing you exactly what action to take, in what order and when. It is a clear path to success no matter where you are starting from. If you are ready to start building a profitable real estate business, click the link below to join my webinar, and I look forward to seeing you there. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.